everyone. So this is a bit different video than usual. I'm not doing any exercises, I'm not doing any makeup, I'm not reviewing any makeup. What I am doing, I'm discussing a little bit about style. So this is like a new thing I'm trying on my channel. This is one of the things I actually wanted to do since I got into YouTube and still started trying it. I've always wanted to discuss a little bit about fashion, style and all that fun stuff, you know. I think all girls love that stuff, me included. But I'm not the most fashionable girl. I'm not, well, I am stylish. At least I like to think so, but I'm not the most fashionable girl. So this is my version of it. I think everyone has a different version of style and fashion, and that's what makes everything so interesting in life. So let's discuss style. So in this video I would like to talk to you about my 5 rules of style. So this is what I think of when I think of like, style. What is style? What isn't it? Are there any rules involved? How should I be, you know? It's just something I have thought of. I kind of typed it into a memo on my phone when I was doing other thing, and now I finally have time to actually record it. So let's talk 5 rules of style. First rule: don't dress fashionably, dress stylishly. Because, you know, fashions come and go. There's a spring fashion, autumn fashion, summer fashion, winter fashion. They come and go and they change all the time. So in the end you're always going to be playing catch up with trying to be stylish. You know, you constantly have to buy a new wardrobe, which costs a lot of money, and we're all not swimming in money. So never try to keep up with the trends. Be stylish instead, you know, because style stays. Some staples have been around for ages, you know, form-fitting clothes from nice materials, clothes that look high quality even if they're actually not high quality, you know. Here it comes that don't try to dress fashionable, like with the latest fashions. Dress stylishly, because you can buy an item and wear it for years and it's still not out of fashion because it's just so stylish. Rule number 2. So black goes with everything. No matter what kind of color you're wearing, what kind of fashion, what kind of fashion, what kind of a style it is. I mean, like the clothing style, is it a pattern, what type of pattern, what color, you know, doesn't matter. Black goes with everything. Black is one of the most stylish colors out there, but at the same time, you know, always splash it up a bit, you know, always do something more, because you shouldn't only wear all black unless that's your style. It's a nice style, but you're not a vampire at the end of the day. Wear at least some kind of a little color. I mean, like, this is my color and my lipstick is my color, but you know, always spice it up a bit. Spice it up a bit, make it more fun. Just black is gorgeous, but all black, it kind of gets dull very fast. Third, so I don't know if this is a style rule, this is just something I go with. You don't have to show a lot. Less is more. You don't have to show a lot of cleavage, you don't have to show a lot of leg, you don't have to wear pants that cut off right beneath your buttocks, you know. You don't have to be extremely sexy if you don't want to be it. Less is more. A nice form-fitting shirt is a lot more interesting to see and look at than a tank top that leaves barely anything to the imagination. You know, less is more. You know, dress so you feel comfortable. It doesn't have to be the most stylish thing, it doesn't have to be the most revealing thing, but it can be the most stylish and revealing thing out there if it makes you feel comfortable. Just be comfortable with what you wear and what you look like. Fourth one, so heels. I do love wearing high heels. They make your legs look amazing, they make your butt look amazing, they make everything look amazing, but at the same time they are a slow killer. You know, you can't wear them very long without getting into a lot of pain. Doesn't matter how tall they are. Some of us can walk longer distances with very tall heels, not so long distances with very tall heels, you know. Heels are a slow killer. They look amazing, they wear amazing, they make me feel amazing, but don't overdo with them, you know. Know your limits, wear shoes according to your limits, and just, again, be comfortable with it. And don't overdo it, because you know you only get one set of legs for your whole life and you have to use them your whole life. You want to walk when you're still 70? Don't overdo it with heels. And fifth, so don't overdo it with jewelry. That is one thing. You're not a Christmas tree. Don't overdo it with jewelry. Don't overdo it with patterns, like big bright patterns that are straight in your face. You know, don't overdo it at all. Just wear what's comfortable, wear what looks good. And I do not like it when people look like Christmas trees. You do not have to look like a Christmas tree to look good. You can have one statement piece, like a big jewelry that looks gorgeous, and build your whole look around it. You can have one extremely bright colored, very detailed, embroidered, whatever, pants, shirts, jackets, skirts, heels, you know, glasses, why not? And just build your whole look around it. It's not important to wear a lot. I mean, like this again, less is more. You don't have to look extremely overdone to look good. Just wear something as a statement and build everything else around it. Don't overdo it. These were my 5 style rules. I don't know if you agree with them. I don't know how eloquently I put them, because English is not my first language. Sometimes I do have trouble with it. If you've seen some of my videos, you have noticed it probably. So I hope it was interesting to watch. I am going to keep doing style videos because I think they're very interesting for me to do, and they're also a lot more faster and quicker to do than makeup videos. Actually, makeup videos take quite a lot of time to put together and think through, so yeah, it is quite a hassle. It's a very fun hassle, but it is a hassle. So I'm going to do more style videos, really looking forward to doing more of them, and I hope I get a good reception for them as well. So thank you so much for watching my little video. I hope to see you again soon, whether watching this one or something else. You know, just thank you for watching, and bye.